Most table saws sold online are underpowered junk that can't cut cleanly. Pick wrong and you waste money and risk serious injuries. Tired of saws that drift, stall, or throw kickbacks when you need precision? This video breaks down the best options and what makes them safer and simpler. Today, I'm going to be going over the best table saw that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SKIL TS6307-00. From the moment you unbox it, this compact table saw presents a practical, budget-friendly choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Its portable design and modest weight of about 30 pounds make it easy to move between jobs and store in tight spaces. The target audience clearly includes hobbyists, small shop operators, and DIYers seeking reliable cuts without breaking the bank. Build quality centers on a sturdy base, with a cast aluminum table surface that resists flex during long ripping sessions. A robust steel frame underpins the cabinet, keeping alignment stable as boards glide toward the blade with minimal drift. The rip fence is easy to lock, then slides true, though scale markings could be crisper in bright workshop lighting. Dimensions and reach strike a practical balance, delivering comfortable knee clearance while still offering ample support for wider cuts. A 52-tooth carbide blade ships with the unit, aiming for clean crosscuts and predictable rip results. A built-in dust port pairs with a basic adapter, reducing stray debris while you work through extended sessions. During real-world testing on common stock, straight lines stayed notably true with light pressure and consistent feed technique. The motor delivers sufficient power for hobby projects, handling soft woods and medium-density materials without stalling under typical loads. Bevel and depth adjustments hold their settings reliably after repeated calibrations, enabling consistently repeatable cuts across multiple boards and materials. Compared to a BOSCH GTS model, this SKIL unit offers similar portability and solid value, while trimming premium features. The pros include strong build quality, consistently accurate bevels and fence alignment, and surprisingly affordable pricing for a capable saw. The cons include limited peak power for heavy hardwoods and modest dust collection efficiency in larger workshops. At number 4, we have the SKIL TS6308. From the moment you unbox it, the SKIL TS6308-00 targets hobbyists seeking reliable cutting performance. The overall build feels sturdy with a robust cast metal frame and a coated surface that resists casual wear. Its dimensions reflect portable practicality, offering a compact footprint suitable for constrained shops and movable workstations during daily tasks. The integrated motor runs on a 15-amp supply, delivering consistent torque through hardwood and plywood alike during tough cuts. Real-world testing showed steady blade engagement with minimal bogging when ripping common cabinet-grade plywood under moderate feed pressure. In head-to-head tests against popular DeWalt compact models, the SKIL delivers comparable precision yet remains lighter and easier to transport. The pros include sturdy build quality with durable materials, very precise fence for repeatable cuts, and exceptionally compact footprint for tight spaces. The cons include limited dust extraction and a modest extension table, which slightly complicates cleanup and multitasking in compact shops. A thoughtful blade guard and easy-reach safety features help prevent accidental contact during setup and operation consistently. The fence and miter gauges alignments are straightforward, ensuring repeatable cuts with minimal calibration, which speeds up project turnaround times. Pricing and value for budget builders remains attractively balanced, especially when considering included accessories and reasonable warranty coverage. Durability over time looks promising with routine maintenance and proper dust management, reducing service interruptions from warping or rust. Recommended use cases include hobby carpentry, light cabinetry, and small workshop projects that require reliable saw performance and portability. Final verdict emphasizes value, ease of use, and practicality for everyday workshop tasks without demanding a professional budget. At number 3, we have the Evolution R10TS. From the moment you unbox it, this compact table saw feels pro-grade with thoughtful packaging and accessible adjustments. Designed for professional shops and ambitious DIYers who require precision, portability, and consistent results across a wide range of materials. Its chassis uses a cast metal frame with powder-coated surfaces, ensuring durability in daily workshop use. The overall design emphasizes alignment, with a clear bevel dial and positive locking mechanisms that resist creeping during long cuts. Though compact, it weighs about 2.4 pounds, offering stability while fitting neatly beside a cabinet and enabling mobile layouts. Blade capacity, cut accuracy, and the feed handling are optimized for consistent repeated cuts without any noticeable chatter. A well-integrated riving knife reduces kickback while maintaining blade visibility for safer plywood and melamine work at all times. The dust collection port aligns with the hood to capture chips and particles, and the fence locks squarely on each use. During on-site tests, it delivered square crosscuts within tight tolerances and minimized chatter when feeding long slabs, even at higher feed rates. In repeated operation, consistency remained high across multiple boards, with dust collection capturing most shavings and keeping the workspace noticeably cleaner. In head-to-head tests against rival models, the Evolution R10TS demonstrates solid parity with notable gains in setup speed. Compared to the DeWalt DWS780, the Evolution R10TS matches accuracy and offers simpler dust management. Overall, it presents competitive value for professionals and serious hobbyists seeking precision, stability, and a compact footprint. In this context, the pros and cons are summarized in the sections that follow to help viewers quickly gauge suitability. The pros include rugged build quality, precise fence system, and easy blade changes. The cons include higher price and heavy weight. At number 2, we have the Evolution R10TBLX. This is an all-around table saw built for hobbyists and small workshop teams seeking reliable precision and value. The Evolution R10TBLX employs a heavy-duty cast aluminum table frame and a rigid fence framework, delivering stability during aggressive cuts. It weighs about 2.4 pounds and occupies a remarkably compact footprint designed for tight shop spaces and portable setups. The fence system locks true and remains securely aligned during repeated passes, ensuring consistently accurate rip cuts every time. The blade elevation and tilt mechanisms feel smooth with minimal play, contributing to accurate bevel and depth adjustments. In real-world tests, it delivered clean cuts through common hardwoods with little tear out when using sharp blades. A modest dust collection port and accessible waste chute help keep the workspace neat during long sessions at all times. In a side-by-side, the Evolution R10TBLX matches precision of a top professional model while delivering noticeably lower price. The pros include sturdy construction, precise fence alignment, smooth blade adjustments, compact footprint, and exceptional value for money in this class. The cons include middling dust collection efficiency and a mid-range motor that limits peak speed on dense stock. Its assembly requires careful alignment for best results, which can be a hurdle for new users without prior setup experience. The compact footprint also enables easy storage when the saw is not in active use. For projects requiring precise bevel and depth settings, the included scale and detents help seasoned woodworkers reproduce exact angles consistently. If you frequently cut large sheets or heavy stock, you may appreciate a larger table surface and more robust motor options. At number 1, we have the BOSCH GTS15-10. From the moment you unbox, this saw feels purpose-built for demanding professional shop work and serious hobbyists alike. It clearly targets woodworkers who need portability, accuracy, and durable performance on busy job sites, whether on site or in shop. The chassis blends a rugged steel frame with a rigid top plate, yielding remarkable rigidity during heavy ripping and bevel work. Its footprint remains compact enough for small workshops while offering a broad base that stabilizes large cuts and keeps the saw steady. A precision fence system and smooth blade height bevel adjustments translate into repeatable accuracy without constant calibrations or guesswork. The built-in stand with wheels offers effortless transport, while quick-release legs and a sturdy locking mechanism ensure secure setup. The motor delivers ample torque for hardwood cuts and maintains blade speed through challenging materials without stalling or noticeable slowdowns. A dedicated dust collection port aligns with most vacuums, reducing chips and debris and improving visibility during critical adjustments. In practical tests, rip cuts stay clean and consistent with minimal wander and reliable blade contact across multiple boards. Bevel and miter operations hold their settings after transport, and the fence remains true through repeated adjustments and reclamping. Noise levels stay manageable during long sessions, and the temperature remains comfortable even during sustained ripping tasks on average. Compared to a similarly sized competitor, the BOSCH offers smoother operation and easier setup, though it carries slightly more weight. The pros include rugged steel frame that resists abuse, precise fence system for consistent accuracy, and efficient dust collection that keeps workspace clean. The cons include heavier weight that reduces portability, and higher price that challenges budget-conscious buyers seeking value.